Oh, welcome. So today we're taking a look at deck 16. This is known as Velasquez deck of the MSC Grandiosa ship. And we're taking a look at this area right here called the Sport and Amusement Complex. It's just right in front of the gym here in deck 16. It's located in the back area of the ship right here at the top. So let's go and take a look. So this is the corridor that takes you inside this area called the Sportplex. And the first area that we have is this virtual games arcade. And in here there's a room with the games. I'm going to show you really quickly. This is an area for video games, as it says right here. Exclusive area for video games playing. And there are about 10 or 15 machines for the kids and the teens, and everyone wants to play. Motorcycle. And
come on, everybody, let's crank it.
So that's it. That's the arcade area. And now we're gonna continue. Now in here we have some other machines. Those machines where you can try your luck and pick up some these teddy bears. I don't know how much it costs to use these machines. I don't see people using this very often. Now as we continue the tour for the Sportplex, in here at the right side we have a sports court. People are playing soccer at the moment, but sometimes there are other sports here, such as basketball and tennis. And also at the night, there are some parties that happen here, like the silent disco, the glow night, and other parties that happen in this area. Not my particular favorite area for having the parties because they usually don't have seats, and it's just the acoustic is terrible, but yeah, well, it is what it is. I'm sorry. And now we have this area for the, I guess it's the Ferrari Formula 1 thing. It's just 2 cars and you can play here. This is also paid, of course. You have to pay extra to use these cars. Wave Italy, immersive racing. I've seen the similar machine in the Ferrari park in Spain. And this is where you can grab your shoes for the bowling area, which we are going to see right here. This is the bowling area. I haven't seen anyone playing. So these are two bowling, I don't know, how do you call lanes, I guess, 2 bowling lanes. I can't really reach. But yeah, so I'll show you later on through the glass. So this is a VR maze, this area here. And I'm not really sure what it is. It's just Assassin's Creed VR maze. Another game, I guess. Yeah. And then, oh, that's my wife Paula right there, reading the book, waiting for me to film the video. Hello, Paula. What you reading there? Stephen King. The Shining, great book. All right. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Then we have some more games in here. There's a air hockey game. And right back here we have two basketball games. I've seen a couple using this just a few moments ago. Another game here. This is a seating area for the sports bar. There aren't many seats either. I think this is quite a small bar, actually. And considering the size of the ship, I think this is a very small bar. And right here we have the bar itself, the sports bar. I haven't really used this bar very much because it's not really comfortable to use at night, and I don't think there are many drinks being served here as well. But you know, I guess it's just more a place for you to wait while like your children or your husband or whatever are like playing soccer and things like that. So you're just waiting for something, you know. It's not really a bar for you to spend the evening. But yeah, this is the sports bar, the Sportplex. Oh, there's also some table games you can pick here. And but then you probably have to play somewhere else because these tables are too small for playing this tabletop games. All right, well, I hope you enjoy this tour of the Sportplex on deck 16. Well, I told you I was going to show you the bowling lanes, and I did, right? So, let me do it right now. And okay, here it is. That's the end of the bowling lane, so just 2 lanes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.